Uh, Yesterday we have discussed about the MOS theory, okay, MOS transistors. So here in today's uh, we will learn here basic MOS structures, basic MOS structure. Okay, now here today we will discuss MOS transistors, theory of the MOS transistor. So now the today's session, the outlines basic MOS structure. Okay, am I audible to all? No? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is the screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why sound is very less intensity, Tanya? Okay, now the outline of the today's presentation is basic MOS structure, MOS transistor circuits involves basic MOS transistor operations, modes in MOS structure, enhancement mode transistor, operation modes of MOS, MOS transistor switches, then complementary CMOS switch, MOS device characteristics, capacitive device model. Okay. So these are the outlines of the today's session. Okay. So this is the first slide. That is the MOS transistor. So yesterday also we have discussed about the MOS transistor. MOS transistor. What is the basic difference between MOS transistor and BJT? Yes. Yes. What is the difference between the MOS transistor and BJT? Yes. Yesterday also we have discussed about the MOS. What is the full form of MOS?
Metal oxide.
Metal oxide semiconductor. And BJT is the junction transistor. That is the bipolar junction transistor.
Bipolar junction transistor.
The MOS transistor conduct electrical
Voltage
current
control device.
by using an
Yes.
applied voltage.
Voltage.
Which terminal?
Gate source. VGS.
Yes. How many terminals are there for the MOS? And how many terminals for the BJT? BJT has a 3 terminals, that is the collector, base, emitter. And for the MOS, the 4 terminals is there, right?
Substrate. One.
How many 4 terminals are there, right? What are the name of the terminals? What are the terminals? What are the names of the terminals of the MOS
Gates.
transistor?
Gate, source, drain, and fourth one
So
substrate.
Substrate.
and the body
Substrate terminal.
is there, right?
Yes.
So body is always connected with the drain terminal with
Drain,
the
yes.
zero potential or the zero voltage. Okay. So this is the structure of the MOS transistor and the BJT. In the case of BJT, that is the current control device, whereas MOS transistor is a voltage control device. So always we are applying the voltage at a gate terminal to control the output current as a drain current, ID. And in the case of BJT, whereas the base current is the input signal, varying with the IB, we can control the output signal.
ID.
Yes, it is the IC collector.
Yes.
So here, MOS transistor is the majority carrier device, whereas in the BJT, yes,
Both types of charge
both
carriers
types,
are
that is the majority and minority. Okay.
minority.
So in an N-type MOS transistors, already we know the types of the MOS transistor is the N-type, P-type. If you
Yes.
classify the term in FET, so that times we are getting that is the FET, JFET and the MOSFET, right? JFET is the junctional field effect transistor, and MOSFET is the metal oxide semiconductor.
Semiconductor Philips
So
transistors.
now here is the two types of the MOSFET, that is the N-type and P-type. Again in the MOS transistor, okay, again in the MOS transistor, if I classify the term, we are getting enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET, right?
Undepletion.
Enhancement MOSFET, it's called as a turn off device. And
Turn
depletion
off.
is a
Yes.
turn on device
Turn on
because
device.
initially the channel is present in the
Channel is
depletion,
present.
in depletion MOSFET. Okay, so with the
Yes.
zero initially when we are applying the zero voltage, start the at the initial voltage, they start the current flowing through that device in the depletion. Okay, but in the case of enhancement MOSFET, MOS transistor, whereas we have to apply the voltage to form a channel, and after form a channel, after exist a channel between the two dope region, then flowing the current to the between the source and drain terminal. Okay, so the VLSI, according to the term, that is the VLSI, very large scale integrated, uh, the 20,000 to 10 lakh
10
transistor
lakh.
on the single chip. So according that, the transistors, most popular transistors are used only the enhancement MOSFET MOS transistors. Okay, so that range of the transistor on the single chip, the type of the transistor is enhancement MOSFET. Okay, not a depletion. Okay, and in the again enhancement MOS transistor, we are getting the two types, N type and P types. Again, what is the difference between N type and P types? So according to the structure, physical structure, there is the difference between the NMOS and PMOS, right? Where is the in NMOS substrate is the P, okay, and highly to the region is the N. Okay, so in the PMOS transistor, substrate is the N substrate and the highly doped region is the P. Okay, so substrate is the moderated. Okay, substrate is the moderately doped region. Okay, whereas the N plus or the diffusion is the highly doped region. Okay, and between these two highly doped region, uh, sandwich between these two highly doped region, the insulator is there. That is the material is SiO2 addition. Okay, and on this insulator, the gate layer is okay. Uh, for the gate terminal, the material is used for the prefer, that is the polysilicon. Okay. So this is the structure of the GelMOS and PMOS according to N-type MOS and P-type MOS. In the N-type MOS transistor, the majority carriers are electrons. Okay, and in the P-type MOS transistors, the majority carriers are holes.
Holes.
And here, the threshold voltage is an important term. Whenever we have to actually we have to operate that device, so that times the threshold voltage, this term is very important because it decides the regions of the operation of this device, like as a cutoff region, saturation region, non-saturation region, right? So it becomes will possible to operate that transistor, right? Like as a on switch, off switch. Okay, so that will be decided by threshold voltage. Okay, so what is by the threshold voltage? It is defined as the voltage at which an MOS device begins to conduct turn on. begins to turn on. Okay. Now the threshold voltage, it means defined as the voltage at which an MOS device begins to conduct turn on. So it means uh, at the threshold voltage, the current will start to flow through this device. Okay, so that point is called as or that voltage is called as a threshold voltage. Now the MOS transistor symbols. Okay, so this is the NMOS transistor symbol. You can represent that. These are the different types of the symbol for the NMOS, also different type of the symbol for the PMOS. Okay, only or the most popular symbol is that first one, that is the NMOS, where is the parallel plate is there. Okay, and in the PMOS, bubble is there with the parallel plate. Okay, so this is the most popular symbol within the LSI circuits. So this is the basic MOS structure. In the basic MOS structure, we also know about of the these are the terminals for the MOSFET, that is the drain, gate, source. Okay. MOS transistor, the term majority carrier device, in which the current in a conducting channel between the source and drain is modulated by a voltage applied to the gate. Okay. So in an NMOS transistor, the majority carriers are, yes, in the NMOS transistor, the majority carriers are electrons, and in the PMOS transistor, the majority carriers are holes. Okay. A
Volt.
positive voltage applied on the gate with respect to substrate. Okay. Enhance the number of electrons in the channel and hence increase the conductivity of the channel. That is the short operation, how there is to operate the, it may be the NMOS or the PMOS. But now here we discuss with the NMOS transistor. In the case of NMOS transistor, apply the positive voltage. The PMOS transistor is there, apply the negative voltage. Okay. So positive voltage applied on the gate with respect to the substrate enhance the number of electrons in the channel and hence increase the conductivity of the channel. Okay, so this is the physical basic physical structure of the MOS. This is the theory to that. There is MOS conjugate forming of P type substrate, moderate doping level of the P type substrate. Source and drain regions are formed by diffusion N type impurities, isolated from another by two diodes. Society is the insulator and conducting electrode is a polysilicon. Okay, if anybody has any doubt, please ask me with the chat box. Huh? Okay, you can write down your doubt and post on the chat box. Okay, most transistor circuit symbols. These are the symbols which are referred in the case of the VLSI, the NMOS transistor. Here the parallel plate is here, right? And these are the terminals name, that is the drain, gate, and source. Okay. And in the PMOS transistor, it can identify by the bubble is there. Okay. And these are the terminals. Okay. Also this is the one of the other symbol for the NMOS and the PMOS, but most commonly refer only these two types. Okay, now here, the always know that the MOS transistor is a four-terminal device with the gate, source, drain, and body. Since the body generally connected to DC supply with the source terminal, sorry, with the drain terminal. Okay, it is a four terminal is not shown. That is the body terminal. It is not shown with the and here also with its characteristics also you can understand that is uh, refer for this one. Now here with these characteristics, basic MOS transistor operation, uh, here you can observe these are the characteristics with the drain current and the VGS. Okay, for the N channel enhancement, and this is for the N channel depletion. Okay, and again the P channel enhancement. Here you can observe how there is a relation between the drain current and the VGS. Okay. Again, in the depletion, if the P channel is there, so again, how there is a relation between the drain current and the VGS. So always the most commonly, most preferable is that the N channel enhancement, because here you can observe that is the relation between the drain current and the VGS shows the linearly. This is the threshold voltage, and here it is denoted by the VTN. Uh, why it is denoted by VTN? Because it's a N type, N channel enhancement. Okay, it's a P channel enhancement, so uh, that is the VTP. It may be the definition of
आवाज
enhancement.
चाले भाई हम लोग को फोनवर करें
Yes, is there any doubt? Please ask me with the chat box. Huh? Okay, now here, positive VGS voltage to apply to the flow of current. After the threshold voltage, that device will go into the conducting states. So this voltage is called as a VTM, threshold voltage. Okay. Okay, now here, this is the enhancement mode transistor. Uh, you will understand. This is the gate terminal. This is the polysilicon material is there. This is the insulator material is there. And here is the channel. Okay, that shows the channel between the two highly doped region. N. Okay, and this is the P substrate. This is the NMOS transistor enhancement mode of the this is the enhancement mode of the NMOS transistor. Okay, it shows the how there is the holes and electrons. Then this is the P substrate. Okay, and here two reverse bias diode as shown between the both region with the P substrate. Okay, so that is the internally exist is the two reverse bias diodes. Okay. And now here source drain gate terminal will connect through the metals. Okay, so that's why we always say this is the MOS. How we can say the MOS? So this is the always suppose this is the gate, source, and drain connected to the metals. So this is the metal. Then gate oxide is that oxide that is the SiO2 insulator. Okay, and this is the P substrate is the semiconductor. So this is the metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, so that's why we are saying the MOS. And here, this is the transistor type is that enhancement mode transistor. Okay. Okay, now here, next is that the accumulation mode, depletion mode, and inversion mode. So we'll understand that is the how there is a different modes will be decide in the enhancement type of the MOSFET. It depend on the gate voltage. Uh, Suppose gate voltage is less than the 0, so that time the accumulation mode will be the occur. Okay, and when the VG is between the 0 to threshold voltage, so depletion mode will be the occur, and in the inversion mode, VG is greater than threshold voltage. Okay, so the inversion mode will occur. Accumulation mode, it means that initial distribution of mobile positive holes in a p-type silicon substrate of an MOS structure for a voltage VGS. Okay, so this term is as a accumulation mode. Depletion mode. So in the depletion mode, here you can observe this depletion region is formed. Okay, when the gate voltage between the 0 to VT. Okay, it means that greater than 0 and less than threshold voltage. So between these, depletion region is formed. Okay, accumulation mode, that is the gate voltage. Voltage at the gate terminal is less than 0. And inversion mode is occur when is greater voltage, gate voltage is greater than threshold voltage. Okay. So according to characteristics, we'll also easily understand that is the how there is the mode will be the form. Okay, regions of MOS. Uh, with the MOS transistor, we are getting the different regions. That is the cutoff region, uh, non-saturation region, saturation region. So here the regions are very important because when we have to decide the operation, when we have to decide the operation of the MOS transistor, so that times the region are most important. So first here we will understand cutoff region. In the cutoff region, the current is the essentially zero. Why the current is zero? Same again with the previous slide. That is the accumulation. Here, the gate voltage is less than the zero. Okay. So, gate voltage less than the zero. There is no any channel formed between the two dot region. It's called as the cutoff region. And in the linear region, we are getting the two regions, that is the non-saturation and saturation region. Okay. Uh, we'll understand with the diagram. So this is the cutoff mode. And now in the cutoff mode, the source and drain have free electrons. The source and drain have free electrons. The body has a free holes, but no free electrons. The junction between the body and the source or drain are reverse bias. Now we have observed there is the two reverse bias diode in there, right? So almost zero current flows, right? So because there is no any channel. But now in the linear region, with the linear region, we are getting the two regions. In the linear modes, we are getting the two regions, that is the saturation and non-saturation. Okay. So now here we will understand that is the linear region, okay, non-saturation region. When the VGD is equal to VGS and VDS is equal to 0, there is no electrical field tending to push current from drain to source. Okay. And if the condition is if now the VGD is between the VGS and VT, okay, so greater than the VT and less than the VGS, and the VDS is between the 0 to VGS minus VT, that is the driver voltage. There is a small positive potential VDS is applied to the drain, so current will be start flow, that is the current is IDS from drain to source. The current increases with the both the drain and gate voltage. Okay. So this nodes is called as a linear. This is the non-saturation. In the non-saturation, okay. With this summary, you can easily understand. That is the MOS transistor has three modes. First mode will be the occur when the VGS will be less than VT. VT is the threshold voltage. Okay. Get to source voltage. It should be less than VT. Then transistor is cutoff region or the cutoff operating mode. Okay. And in the cutoff modes, no current flow because there is a channel exists. Okay. Second is that the VGS is greater than VT. At that times, VDS is small. Okay. Now the compared to the first condition, that is the voltage between the gate and source terminal is greater than threshold voltage, and at the same time VDS is the small, the transistor act as a linear resistor. So what will happen in the linear modes? So in the linear mode, that current will be flow through the device. It will be depend on the VDS, proportional to the VDS. Okay, in the linear region, if you increases the VDS, that's accordingly your drain current also increase. and how the that linear region will occur when VGS is greater than threshold voltage and VDS is same condition, that is the VGS is greater than the threshold voltage and at the same time VDS is the large. The transistor acts as a current source in which the current flow becomes independent of VDS. It means that if the input and output characteristics of the NMOS transistor, with this characteristics you will get, that is the saturation region. There is the current is constant. If any changes in the VDS, if you are increasing the VDS, but if your VGS is greater than VT, threshold voltage, and the VDS is large, your drain current is the constant. And that region and that modes is called as a saturation. So the PMOS transistor operates in just the opposite fashion. Okay, so this is the theory of the NMOS transistor, and it is the exact opposite to the PMOS transistor. Yes, anybody has a doubt, please ask me with the chat box. Or the yes, also you can ask me the any doubt. Is there? Okay. Is there a Rahul Kode? Please take the snapshot of all the participants.
Yes, sir.
Rahul.
Oh, sir.
Yes, we will take the snapshot of all the participants or all the attendees.
Yes, sir.
कोण घेत आहे मला ते सांगा.
Rahul.
Rahul. Okay.
Rahul Khawde.
Okay, now with the next slide, this is the MOS transistor switches. Okay. So these are the symbols. Most commonly referred the symbol is N switch and P switch. Okay. The N switch and P switch can understand that is the now the terminal name is A is the source, S is the gate, and P is the drain. Okay. So here we'll observe with this switch. Suppose the N switch is there. Here, when we are applying the 0 on the gate terminal of the NMOS switch, so what will happen? 0 on the NMOS, yes, it will be the good 0. Okay. And 1, when we are applying the 1 on the NMOS, so it will act as a closed switch. Okay, so it acts as a closed switch. So that's why here. Please mute your sound. Okay, so the NMOS, when we are applying the 0 on the gate terminal, it acts as an open switch, or its status is the on condition. Sorry, open condition. And when we are applying the S is equal to 1 on the gate terminal, it acts as a closed switch. Okay, but here again we'll understand. Suppose the input is 0, so it will be the good 0, and when we are applying the 1, so it will be the poor 1. Okay. Why the poor 0? Because here the switch is an open. And in the PMOS, this is the PMOS transistor. With the PMOS transistor, when we are applying the S is equal to 0, S is that it means that 0 is applying at the gate terminal. It acts as a closed switch, and when we are applying the 1, okay, it acts as an open switch. So here the one of the always all of you keep it in your mind this operation, because when we have to form or design a CMOS circuit, so that times we know that operations. Okay, so when we are applying the 0 to the NMOS, so it will act as a open. When it will act as apply the 1, it acts as a close. And when in the case of the PMOS transistor, when we are applying the 0, so it acts as a closed switch, and for the 1, it acts as an open switch. Okay. So we know about all these operations. Okay, now next is that the complementary CMOS switch. This is the complementary CMOS switch. This is symbol for complementary CMOS. Okay, here the complementary CMOS. CMOS, what is the full form of CMOS? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor, and here the complementary CMOS. Okay, so this complementary CMOS, which is also called as a transmission gate, and these all are the symbol of the Either we can say the complementary CMOS switch, either we can say the complementary C switch, either we can say the yes transmission gate. These are the symbol for the transmission gate. Okay. Whenever you have to design the CMOS circuit, you can refer. This is the CMOS switch here. The symbol from the P. Okay. This is the operation. Okay. And also you can refer this symbol, okay, in the C, different icons of this transmission gate. Okay. From these three, you can refer anyone. Okay. Okay, now next is the IV characteristics of MOS. Okay, current voltage characteristics of the MOS. In linear and saturation region, the gate attracts carriers to form a channel. Uh, the carriers dip from source to drain at a rate proportional to the electric field. Okay, all these things we have discussed. MOS structure looks like a parallel plate capacitor while operating in inversion gate oscillator. This is the channel charge. Okay, the channel charge, Q channel, that is the CG, VGC minus VT, where CG is the capacitance. Okay. So here in the diagram, that is the how there is a channel charge. Okay. So also this is the source, gate, drain terminal, and when we are applying the voltage is the VS, VG, VD. Okay. So here the this is the capacitors. Okay. CG.